Hey everybody, I'm Scott. I'm Diono CPST and Safety Advocate, and today I'm going to tell you about the angle adjuster. So the angle adjuster is used with a rear-facing Diono car seat to give you a little bit more space between the vehicle seat and the car seat itself. So it's super easy to use. These little arrows tell you which direction to slide it underneath the seat. So you follow the directions in your manual to install your rear-facing Diono car seat. Grab it at the top, lift it up, and slide it until it stops against the back of the rear-facing base, and then you let the car seat rest on top of it. Just give your installation another quick check to make sure it's solid. You can see how much more space there is between the car seat and the vehicle seat. Now, the important thing to remember about the angle adjuster is that it can only be used with rear-facing kids who can sit up unassisted and have complete head control. If neither one of those requirements is met, whatever stage of development your kid's at, then you cannot use the angle adjuster.